Okay, it was here now that the examiner asked you to park up anywhere safe on the left, yeah? Okay, so if you could park up anywhere safe on the left, please. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we have another video with Raajan, and for those of you who are regular viewers know what happened a short while ago. Raajan took his driving test and unfortunately failed. So today we're going to show you exactly what happened, because it was only just the one fault, wasn't it, Raj?
Yeah.
And how do you feel now after some time? Obviously you're really upset on the day.
Yeah.
How are you feeling now?
But just more so annoyed is just that one in it, and just a silly mistake.
Yeah. So yeah, it was just the one mistake, and when it's just the one, it does hurt a bit more. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the fault actually happened not too far from here. As soon as we do these couple of roundabouts, we're gonna be on the exact test route that Raajan was on the day of his test, and we'll show you exactly what happened. Yeah. So yeah, should we get going?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Cool. Move off when you're ready. At this roundabout, turn right, third exit please. And at this roundabout, turn left please, first exit. Okay, so you're on this carriageway on the test, and at this point we're following the sat-nav, yeah, but the examiner, just to give us a heads up, still gave you the instructions as well, yeah? He said we're going to turn right at this roundabout, which is signposted towards Colsley. So turn right and take the third exit, please. Like we mentioned in the previous video, the examiner's instructions were really good, yeah? He helped you out quite a bit. So this roundabout was quite busy on the day as well, yeah, but you dealt with it really well. But it was just after this roundabout where that one serious fault occurred. And at this roundabout, if you could turn right and take the second exit please. Okay, it was here now that the examiner asked you to park up anywhere safe on the left, yeah? Okay, so if you could park up anywhere safe on the left please. Okay, and this is all you had to do on your test.
Yeah.
Okay, so but what happened on the day was, yeah, Raajan did exactly what he was about to do. I think he was about to stop just there, yeah. And then for some reason, or you were about to stop here, whatever, yeah. But then for some reason you changed your mind. What was that reason?
I thought I was blocking the driveway.
Thought you was blocking the driveway?
No, here first I thought I was too close to this.
Okay, yeah.
Estate thing.
Yeah, so that's the entrance, yeah, it's gated up anyway, yeah, but it's an entrance, yeah. Good, you didn't want to park opposite that, understandable, yeah. And so if you just pass it like we have, that's fine, we're not too close to it, yeah. So that was the first thing, so you decided to just edge forward a bit, and then you thought you were too close to the driveway.
Yeah.
Okay, and then, so Raajan had slowed down. Yeah, he didn't his mirrors and signal. He'd slowed down. There was a vehicle behind as well. Yeah, and then because of these things, you kept just edging forward. Yeah. And where did you end up?
On the yellow lines.
Yeah. So the double yellow lines just by the bend as well. Yeah. And is that a safe place to stop?
No.
Nah. Yeah. Obviously with the double yellow lines, you're not supposed to wait there at all. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Unless you were loading or unloading, which you weren't. Yeah. Okay. So well, obviously on your test you got to show the examiner you're aware of that. Okay. But even if the yellow lines weren't there, is it safe to stop on a bend?
No.
Okay. So I can understand. I'm sure people watching can understand why you did what you did. Yeah. Why you stopped. Why you decided not to stop here and just head forward. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, it's one of those things that just like we said on the day happened. Yeah, and nothing you can do about it. But it's a lesson learned. Yeah, the thing is, when the examiner does ask you to stop, yeah, normally there is a safe place to park up. Like here, I'd say there was just the one place to park up, which is where you've stopped now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But if the examiner does ask you to park up, yeah, what's the first thing you should do?
Look for a safe place.
That's it. Look for a safe place, then do the mirror and signal. If you think, you know what, I don't think it's safe, you just don't slow down, keep driving.
Yeah.
If you'd kept driving and gone round the bend and that, yeah, and then stopped way further down, that would have been okay as well.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, you understand that?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
And yeah, that's it really, guys. So yeah, let's know what you guys think of this place where he was asked to park up. Yeah, easy mistake to make, which like I said, if that wasn't there, that entrance wasn't there were no driveways there, then I would have said, yeah, really silly fault. But we can understand why you decided not to stop here. Yeah. But stopping there was even worse. So if you had stopped opposite the junction, yeah, opposite there, that wouldn't have been a serious fault, unless you prevented someone from pulling out. Yeah. And if you had blocked a driveway, I've had learners block a driveway on the test, yeah, and it's not a serious fault unless you actually affect someone. Yeah. So the examiner, like on your test, he asked you to park up about 3 times. Yeah.
Yeah.
If each of those 3 times you block a driveway, 3 times, yeah, then the examiner may mark that as a serious, that you're not showing him that you got that understanding. Yeah. That it's not safe to block a driveway. Yeah.
Yeah.
But then, say it happened with one of my learners before, where they blocked a driveway, not fully, but most of it, yeah. And the person whose house it was, they turned up, yeah, and they were blocking their path. And they obviously, because that person got to turn in, they held up all the traffic behind as well, and that turned into a serious fault.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You get that?
Yeah.
Cool. So that's it, really, guys. We just wanted to show you what happened on the day, and yeah, hopefully that video helped you guys, and I'm pretty sure any of you watching this won't make this fault on your test. Yeah. And like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.